Hello and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're diving into how to write an introduction letter, a great way to professionally introduce yourself or your organization to a new contact. We'll break down each part of this letter so you know exactly what to include and why, ensuring your introduction leaves a positive and lasting impression. Let's start by looking at a sample letter written by Emily Carson, a manager at Green Solutions, as she introduces her company to Michael Johnson, the CEO of Cleantech Enterprises. Step 1. The header. The letter begins with a header that contains all the essential contact details of the sender. Here's what it looks like. Emily Carson, Manager, Green Solutions, 425 Lakewood Drive, Columbus, Ohio, 43215. Phone, 614-555-8724. Email, emily.carson@ecogreensolutions.com. This information is crucial because it immediately tells the recipient who is writing the letter and provides multiple ways to get in touch. Make sure your header is complete and accurate. If you're writing on company letterhead, some of this information might already be included. Step 2. The date. Next, we add the date the letter was written, November 30th, 2024. Including the date helps maintain a clear timeline of correspondence, especially for professional or business purposes. Always place the date right below your header. Step 3. Recipient's details. Now, include the details of the recipient. Michael Johnson, CEO, Cleantech Enterprises, 1888 Main Street, Cleveland, Ohio, 44113. This section is important because it shows the letter is personalized for a specific person. Always use their full name, title, and company information if possible. If you're unsure of their name or title, take the time to look it up. It adds a personal touch and shows professionalism. Step 4. Subject line. The subject line reads, Introduction of Green Solutions. The subject line should be concise and clearly indicate the purpose of your letter. For an introduction letter, this typically includes your name or company name. This helps the recipient quickly understand the focus of your correspondence. Step 5. The salutation. For the salutation, we use, Dear Mr. Johnson. A professional greeting like this is essential. Use Dear, followed by the person's last name and title. If you're unsure of their gender or prefer a gender-neutral option, you can use their full name instead, like Dear Michael Johnson. Step 6. The introduction paragraph. Now, we move to the introduction paragraph. I hope this letter finds you well. My name is Emily Carson, and I am the manager at Green Solutions, a company dedicated to providing innovative and sustainable solutions for energy efficiency and waste management. In this opening, Emily introduces herself and her company in a clear and professional manner. Notice how she briefly explains what Green Solutions does. This immediately gives the recipient context about who is writing and why. When writing your own introduction, keep it short but impactful. Step 7. Purpose of the letter. The next paragraph dives into the purpose of the letter. I'm reaching out to introduce our company and explore potential opportunities for collaboration with Cleantech Enterprises. At Green Solutions, we specialize in tailoring energy-saving programs and waste reduction initiatives to meet the unique needs of businesses across various industries. Our proven strategies have helped numerous companies achieve their environmental goals while significantly reducing operational costs. This section is the heart of the letter. Emily explains why she's writing, to introduce her company and explore opportunities for collaboration. She also highlights the company's expertise in energy saving and waste reduction, which aligns with Cleantech Enterprises' focus. When writing this part, think about what value you bring to the recipient and tailor your message to their needs. Use specific examples or benefits, as Emily does, to make your introduction compelling. Step 8. Aligning missions. The next paragraph builds on the connection. Given Cleantech Enterprises' commitment to sustainability and innovation, I believe there is significant alignment between our missions. I would love the opportunity to discuss how eco-green solutions could support your current and future projects. Here, Emily acknowledges CleanTech's work and highlights the alignment of their goals. This creates a sense of mutual interest and sets the stage for collaboration. If you're writing an introduction letter, research the recipient's company or goals so you can show how your values or expertise align. Step 9. Offering further information. In the following paragraph, Emily provides more details. I have attached our company brochure for your reference and would be happy to arrange a meeting to provide more details about our services. Please feel free to contact me directly at 614-555-8724 or via email at emily.carson@ecogreensolutions.com to schedule a time convenient for you. Here, she takes a proactive approach by attaching a brochure and offering to arrange a meeting. Including additional resources, like brochures or links, helps provide context without overloading the letter. Also, make it easy for the recipient to respond by offering clear contact details and flexible options. Step 10. Closing with gratitude. Finally, we end the letter with a polite note of gratitude. Thank you for taking the time to read this letter. I look forward to the possibility of working together to achieve our shared goals. This leaves a positive impression and reinforces Emily's interest in collaboration. Always close your letter with a thank you and a forward-looking statement to encourage a response. Step 11. Signature. The letter concludes with, Sincerely, signature, Emily Carson, Manager, Eco-Green Solutions. Sincerely is a professional and commonly used closing. Don't forget to include your handwritten or digital signature above your typed name to personalize your letter. And that's it. Writing an introduction letter doesn't have to be intimidating. Just remember to keep your tone professional yet friendly, provide all the necessary details, and show how your goals align with the recipients. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might benefit. Let us know in the comments if there's a specific type of letter you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching Writing Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.